started. JLA 5. I've got 19 minutes or something. Industrial washing machine spinning. Fancy that. I like JLA 5.
Have you seen one before? Is this the first one?
Yeah, because I saw one on some holidays. JLA 88.
Alright.
It's supposed to be 8 really. 8 kilos, not 5 kilos. This one's an Indesit, but it's off at the moment. So, WIXL123. That machine. It's got 60 degrees hot wash, 60 degrees hot wash, there it says. Just do a quick look at the spin. Oh, before we turn the camera off, it's spinning faster. I wonder what spin this machine is. We're lucky, ain't we? It's good, isn't it, this one? Oh, just go faster.
Oh, it is. It must be its last spin.
Sort of 17 minutes though, so it might not be, it might do a inch.
Oh, you're right, it won't be.
Slowing down. Yep, look, water's coming down.
Okay, Liam.
Yeah?
Just get your actual class ready for them.
Right, okay, let's say bye-bye to JLO.
Alright, dear.
That's just, what, slow down. That's the bestest one out of Indesit.
Oh, is it?
Bye-bye JLO. Indesit and its spin. Looks like it's final, but I don't think it is. It's noisy though. JLA's not on at the moment. You just concentrate on the Indesit. It might be its Vince cycle actually. Right, it's still hot there, so it's hot. It's noisy, isn't it? That's the only one in the school that's noisy. That's another good one, but it's not better as that one there. It's off. You could use that as well than that. It might go faster. No, it ain't. It's slowing down. Pump's a little bit noisy as well. That stopped as well. It's on a Vince as well. That's been pushed out of there. That's a bit exciting to see that one as well. It's on now. Rinsing. Attracting a bit of water as well. Well, I'm gonna have to say bye now to the Indesit if it does spin. Bye-bye. Go wrong. 20 minute 3 kilos and 30 degrees 12 wood spin. 15 minutes. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.